Today I'm going to share with you how to make salted, spicy, sweet potatoes. These can be used for personal and for commercial purposes as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. So let's begin. I'll be using African sweet potatoes. You can use any potato in your country. All right, the first thing to do is to start peeling the potatoes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, I have shared the first version of this video without adding salt or pepper. The link will pop up right now. Okay, in that video I gave a lot of insight, everything that you need to know for someone who wants to start a sweet potato business without breaking the bank. I shared 3 gadgets that you can use to peel the potatoes, 3 gadgets that you can use to slice the potatoes. All right. Okay, now after peeling the potatoes, give it a quick rinse, allow to dry, then go ahead and slice the potatoes. That's exactly what is going on here. Now, after slicing the potatoes, we are going to separate the potatoes. We are going to separate the ones that are in good shape. I also mentioned the reason why that you need to do that, especially for those who want to use this for commercial purposes. If you are using it for personal use, you don't need to, all right? Now, start by separating the ones that are in good shape. I call them the VIPs. If you are with me at this moment, type VIP potatoes. All right, after separating, set them aside. Okay, set the pieces ones aside, set the ones in good shape aside. Now it is time to make our salt solution. In a bowl, add some water, moving with salt. Mix to combine very well. Test and adjust for more salt if necessary. I tested and I added extra salt. Please follow my instructions. All right. Now I added extra salt, mix to combine very well again, test again, and it was perfect. Now it is time to add egg yellow. This is what makes the sweet potatoes that you see in the supermarket, like this is what makes the color to be popping. You see that those ones at the supermarket, they have a different color. So I'm trying to review a secret that some companies will not like. I own you this. You know I love you so much, so I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. Now, after adding the potatoes, allow to sit for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, now you can see that it has absorbed the color. All right, this color is edible, it doesn't hurt you. In the absence of egg yellow, you can use turmeric. All right, now you are going to drain the water and allow to dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, you can see the color is popping. Just keep watching, you won't regret watching this video today. All right, it is time to fry. Go ahead and fry into a hot oil. You need high heat to fry the potatoes. All right, beautiful shout out to you, Mariana watching from Tanzania, Nansen from Brazil, Agnes from Philippines, Mary Jane watching from Nigeria, and Alma all the way from Sweden. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, after adding the potatoes, I dropped some bulbs of onion for extra flavor. All right, back to the pieces ones, that is the ones that we separated earlier. I'm going to add salt. I'm adding salt direct to the potatoes. Now you have 2 different ways that you can add salt to your potatoes. All right, mix to combine very well, set it aside. Back to the frying ones, I'm going to flip them around from time to time. Please keep an eye on it. Okay, you can see that the color is popping. I'm loving the color, trust me, I love it. And the aroma, nose blinding. Continue to flip it around from time to time. Once they become crunchy, it is time to take it out of the oil. Now you are going to use the same oil to fry the pieces once, even though we are not going to show it. All right, there is no difference. Okay, the difference between both of them is just that we added color to the VIPs. Once you take it out of the oil, move in with your chili pepper, blended chili pepper. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. All right, once that is done, you are going to spread the potatoes into an open tray like so and allow to cool down completely. The more it cools down, the crunchier it becomes. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. You can see the color. The color is popping. Now here is the one without color. You can see the natural color. Now you can differentiate when you go to the market the difference between the one added color and the one that has natural color. So which one will you be going for? Let me know at the comment section. Allow to cool down completely before packaging. For commercial purposes, after adding into the jar, there is a need for you to seal the cover. Sealing the cover will help the potatoes to stay longer. As long as there is no air penetrating into it, it will last longer for at least 1 month. The same thing goes with the one without the color. Now you can see what it looks like. The ones added in the plastic, if properly covered, can stay up to 1 week. I guarantee you that. The only thing that the potato doesn't need after packaging is air. It requires air to cool down completely, but after packaging, no more air. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to use this recipe for commercial purposes, I will advise you watch the first video. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.